So, Dinaka with you. So, in the last 2.5 years, we have had a huge stream of operations, forward deployments in standoff and developments in Ukraine. Is there a major division in your post planning and because you talk of long-term organization? And does the concept of political participation still hold good? Is there revision or reassessment? No.
See, the reassessment of our capabilities vis-a-vis the adversary is a continuous process. And like I said, the reassessment is not purely based on bean count or on the quantitative analysis of what the adversary has. It is also a qualitative analysis. Definitely, a lot of lessons are being learned from the Russia-Ukraine war. We have to clearly understand that the context of use of air power in that area is completely different from what it would be in our area of operations. Keeping all these in mind, I think it's not merely the numbers that we are looking at, it is the quality, the technology that is more important to us.
Ms. Kumar? Yeah.
Sir, good afternoon. My name is Huma Siddiqui and I'm from the Financial Express. Just wanted to know when is the next Vayu Shakti expected, or is it getting delayed because of the Russian-Ukraine war?
Yeah, unfortunately we had to call off the Vayu Shakti due to the situation that was emerging at that time. We normally plan to have one big event every year, and we alternate between the Aero India and Vayu Shakti. So unfortunately 22 was the time for the Vayu Shakti, and 23 we'll have to wait and see the dates of Aero India are finalized, then we will take a call on when to do the Vayu Shakti.
Mr. Ajay? Colonel Ajay.
Good morning, Jeet sir. Congratulations on First Day 2022. Some of what I would also ask has been touched on, but you could treat it as a follow-on question. So, that's this question of 42 squadrons. It would have come as no surprise to you that so many questions come because of that. My question is, given the fact that you now have multi-role aircraft, you have so many force multipliers like refuelers and so on, have you ever thought about taking up a case to reduce this number of 42? It's just an embarrassment. It keeps coming up in every press conference. It's one of those things you can rely on immediately. Or are you worried that the question that replaces it might be even more embarrassing?
To be able to agree upon reducing the number of squadrons that are required or what are authorized for the Indian Air Force at this stage would be inappropriate to say that we are willing to accept what we've got now. The issue is, though, like I mentioned, that quantity does not really matter when it comes to conflict with the adversary, but quantity does matter when it comes to be able to spread across the large geographical area that we have to contend with. It is important when we have to have persistence. When I say persistence, we need to have strong air defense capability around the clock. With the given numbers, it might be impossible to maintain a 24/7 combat air patrol or an air defense watch right across from Sir Creek to Siachen and further to the east. So the numbers definitely are essential.
So 42 will remain.
42 will remain. Like I said, I know that it is a difficult goal to achieve in the next few years or maybe the next decade or so. But we will review it only based on the situation that arises in our neighborhood. Based on the current situation, based on the mandate given to the Indian Air Force, I think it is essential that we need to build up the numbers.
Check the numbers of Pakistan and China.
Yeah.
How, despite other force multipliers, the numbers, how it is increasing. We don't want to get into a explanatory thing with China, but see the numbers and the quality, everything. So we have to balance it out. And Pakistan also, there has been a steady increase. So we have to balance it out. Despite we will get other assets, In fact, you're right, unmanned systems will come in, they'll be teeming, but so is our environment around us. It remains little hostile, or rather more than that. So that's the balance. It's a complex situation. So numbers certainly can't help you.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir, and greetings to you ahead of the 90th anniversary of the Indian Air Force. Sir, the recent appointment of the Chief of Defence Staff has been widely hailed by the military strategic community. Will the process of considering retired 3-star officers for appointment to 4-star, can this be extended to the appointment of all 4-star officers, including service chiefs? What is the thinking of the military leadership? What is your thinking on this?
I think this is bordering on a bit political issue, and I will rather abstain from answering this.
I have another question, different subject.
We'll circle back, please. We'll just circle back. Ms. Palak Sharma.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Palak. You spoke about inducting the female upgradees next year. Is there a specific number you're looking at right now and roles, or is it just going to be a token for now?
We are looking at around 10% initially, and we have issues with respect to the number of specific trades, and within the trades, the streams that these people can be used in. So, for example, if I have an engine fitter on, as a technician, I've got 39 fleets. So I've got 39 different, people, fleets we train on. So we are just trying to focus on which are the fleets where we can utilize them best, where we have presently the wherewithal in terms of the infrastructure, in terms of lesser requirement to move them continuously. So we will make a beginning there, and we will grow as time comes. Like I said, I think we've been the most gender agnostic for many years, and we will give full, with an open mind, we will accept them in any trade and any place.
Mr. Mukesh Kaushik, you had a follow-up question?
He is waiting for lunch. Good, so everybody is ready for lunch. Okay. Suddenly the hands come up.
Okay, Mr. Rajat,
Sir, a follow-on question. You have mentioned about the 42 squadrons. Sir, how serious is the threat of the depleting fighter squadron, the age of the fighter squadron, especially the Jaguar? What is the timeline for the Jaguar phase out, or the V-29 phase out, or the upgrade? Could you please give an update on that?
Okay, the first 3 squadrons that will phase out in the coming 3 years are the remaining Bison squadrons. This will be followed by the Jaguar fleet. Sometime from 2025-26 onwards, the first lot will start phasing out, and the depletion of the Jaguar fleet will continue till probably 2032 or 33. And this is the time when even the upgraded Mirage and the upgraded MiG-29 fleets will start depleting, on having completed their calendar life and their total technical life. So we see that the existing 5 or 6 squadrons of Jaguars, 3 squadrons of Mirages, and 3 squadrons of MiG-29s will all get number plated somewhere in the middle of next decade.
okay.